Hey guys, welcome to the channel IF 4.0. This is Ajay.
Today we will understand the concepts of simulation, discrete event simulation, their importances, their uses, and many such aspects in today's video. So let's begin. Most of you might already know what is simulation. Simulation is nothing but a virtual replica created in a software as a model which mimics the existing or proposed system to analyze and take management decisions. I have already prepared two videos on my channel. You can get the link in the description. So the two videos consist of what the channel would be about and the high level information about discrete event simulation and the Flexsim software. So the discrete event simulation we are going to perform in the Flexsim software. It is available in trial, also in the licensed form. In the trial Flexsim software we can create only 30 elements. So this is the interface of the Flexsim 2022 and here is the simulation model prepared, as you can see. So this simulation model is a discrete event simulation model. So Flexsim 2022 is majorly used for creating discrete event simulation. We'll understand what is discrete event simulation and other aspects related to discrete event simulation. So the word itself, discrete, means into the bricks or pieces or steps. So the discrete event simulation is called because it is a simulation based on events. So every event takes place at certain instance of time and this event with the time makes changes in the state. So for example, we'll consider one example which is created here in the model. So this is one of the station we have created which is named as processor 1. So the event would be when a part arrives on a station, the processing of the station will start. It will be completed in 10 seconds and then the station would stop. So this is one event. Now another event would be once the processing is completed, the operator will come pick up the object. Then he will place this object to the buffer or next station. So this is the series of events which appear at certain instance of time. So whenever a part comes here, say it requires 5 seconds to come to the station. After 5 seconds, process 2 will start, that is the station will do its processing. That is event 2 will start. It will be completed in 10 seconds. So this machine will go in a processing state and then when the processing is completed, it will go in a blocked state or idle state. Another event will start, then this operator idle state will change to traveling, then it will change to loading, then travel loaded, then it will unload, and it will have its instance of time. So as the simulation takes place with the events being made in instances of time and there is change in the states, it is called as discrete event simulation. It has various advantages of it. It is used in healthcare systems, it is used in manufacturing systems, it is used in logistics, and there are many applications available. So in manufacturing, mostly discrete event simulation will be used for scheduling the sequence, schedule plan. It can be used for resource allocation like number of AGVs required, number of forklifts, number of operators required for the operation, capacity planning, traffic and congestion analysis to check whether the IL is highly used, is there any traffic, is the collision happening. We can use it for bottleneck analysis in a process line, throughput analysis can be done, and there are many more which can be done using discrete event simulation.